Having problems with your partner? Is she complaining that she cannot sleep because of your snoring? Do you want to cure yourself without visiting the doctor? Well, you're watching the right video. Snoring is a common problem which can be reduced or completely cured. You just need to make a few changes in your lifestyle. Number 1. Keep a check on your weight by controlling your calorie intake and by doing some simple exercises regularly. This will help in checking your obesity because obesity is one of the major factors responsible for snoring. Number 2. Elevate the head of your bed by 4 inches. This will keep your airways open. Number 3. Say bye-bye to alcohol. If not, then try consuming alcohol at least 4 hours before bedtime. Number 4. Quit smoking. If not, try not smoking for at least 4 hours leading to your bedtime. Number 5. If you take sedatives, seek an alternative option. This could ease your snoring. Number 6. Do you sleep on your back? Try sleeping on your side. This will allow easy airflow and reduce your snoring. Last but not the least, you could try using nasal strips or nasal dilators. These are easily available in the market. Thank you for watching.